Hello and welcome to a TipHaus guide on how to invite your employees to use the Employee App at my.tiphaus.com. From your client dashboard, you're going to want to come on the left-hand side. I'm going to open this up and scroll all the way down to settings. And there are actually two ways that you can invite your employees to join the app. The key piece of information that we're going to need is here under Locations, Employees. We will need your employee's email address to be present in this field. If it is not, you can click this button here and enter it in directly, or you can put that into your POS or labor system, wherever we're pulling your email addresses from, and we can pull that in on a sync. If your POS or labor system doesn't support email addresses being delivered to TipHaus, contact support. We're happy to help out as well. From this screen directly, you can select actions and select invite employees to Employee App. It will pull up a list of all of your employees and their email addresses. You can select which ones you'd like to invite and send a mass invite. They will receive that from alerts@tiphaus.com and they can sign right up. Additionally, from the users section under setting, if you click create and select employee, it will bring up the same menu, allow you to choose employees that have email addresses or edit their emails directly in that view. And again, send invites to one or a group of employees. The Employee App is a fantastic tool for your staff. They can access their own tips. They can understand how we're getting to their final take-home numbers. They can look at their shifts and help surface shifts and missed clock-out issues to you. We definitely encourage you to get your staff on the Employee App as soon as possible. Here are two quick and easy ways for you to get them started right now. If you have any questions at all, reach out to TipHaus support, but hopefully this is helpful.